how do we get this to look like this? So the first step is converting this photo to line art. There's an option called Extract Line right here in Clip Studio EX. When you press the Extract Line button, this is what happens to your photo. So I'm able to customize the black fill, line width, and edge threshold. Some things don't transfer fully, so I draw them in, like this set of windows, like these details here. And then I draw in a lot more details. Even though I start off with a photo, a lot of these details are hand-drawn, and it helps to really accent the drawing better. Next, I sketch the girl, and then inked her, and there's additional details I accidentally drew in that same layer that didn't show up before. I colored her in, and then I colored in the rest of the background using a sample of the original photograph and my own hand-done coloring. The sky is what I sampled from the original photo, and for that I just changed the hue to red. I have this recycled paper filter layer on my canvas. It really does help to make things look more analog and just overall have this nice touch to it. That's all. Thanks for watching.